Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the topic, it's time to break up with your virtual data rooms provider. What is a VDR? A VDR is a secure online repository for storing and sharing confidential documents. VDRs are typically used during merger and acquisition, fundraising, and other business transactions where multiple parties need to have access to sensitive information. How to know if it's time to break up with your VDR provider? There are a few signs that it might be time to break up with your VDR provider, including your VDR provider is not meeting your security needs. If your VDR provider is not offering the security features that you need, such as encryption, access control, and audit trails, then it might be the time to switch providers. Your VDR provider is not complying with data protection regulations. If your business is subject to data protection regulations such as general data protection regulations, then you need to make sure that your VDR provider is compliant with those regulations. Your VDR provider is not user friendly. If your VDR is difficult to use, then it might be time to. Here are some additional things to consider when deciding whether it's time to break up with your VDR provider. How long have you been using the VDR provider? If you have been using your VDR provider for a long period of time, are happy with the service, and there is no need to switch providers. However, if you are not happy with the service, then you should consider switching providers. What are VDR needs? If your VDR needs have changed, then you may need to switch to a different VDR provider. For example, if you are working on a larger or more complex deals, then you may have a VDR that offer more features. What are your budget constraints? If your budget constraints have changed, then you may need to switch different provider. For example, if you're now on a tighter budget, then you may need to switch a more affordable VDR provider. How to switch the VDR providers? If you choose to decide to switch VDR providers, there are a few things to consider to make the process as smooth as possible. Choose a new VDR provider. Once you have decided to switch VDR providers, you need to choose a new provider. When choosing a new provider, it is important to consider your security needs, compliance requirement, user friendliness, budget, and customer needs. Notify the current VDR provider. Once you have chosen a new VDR provider, you need to notify your current VDR provider that you are switching. Your current VDR provider should be able to contract you export your data from their VDR platform. Improve your data into your new VDR. Once you have exported your data your current VDR, you will need to import it to your new VDR. Your new VDR provider should be able to help with this process. Test your new VDR. Once have been imported your data to a new VDR, you will need to test it to make sure that everything is working properly. You should also test the VDR with your team members and stakeholders. In conclusions, if you are not happy with your current VDR provider, then it might be time to switch providers. There are a number of VDR providers on the market, so you should be able to find the one that meets your needs and budget. That's all everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions about the topic, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching this video.